this you can see, this is a pure tone audiometry test going on. The other one is impedance audiometry. Impedance audiometry जैसे अभी मैंने बताया, कान का पर्दा, हड्डियाँ, उस चीज़ में, उस भाग में प्रॉब्लम है या नहीं है, उसके लिए impedance audiometry हम करते हैं. And this is, and here it is a impedance audiometry going on. This first picture. BERA is brainstem evoked response audiometry. अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे प्योर टोन ऑडियोमेट्री टेस्ट, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ सब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट, अगर पेशेंट उस कंडीशन में नहीं है, आइदर इट्स अ स्मॉल बेबी और बड़े लोग भी जो नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो हम ये BERA करते हैं. इसमें हम आइदर सेडेशन लेके या नेचुरल स्लीप में इलेक्ट्रोड्स लगा के आपका हियरिंग टेस्ट करते हैं. ओके, This is BERA, OE and ASSR. This is one software that conduct all the three tests. OE is also auto-acoustic emission. It's for small baby only to detect if hearing loss is present or not. If it is normal, then we won't prescribe any test. And if it is not present, we have to go for BERA or ASSR. Behavioral observation audiometry, this is again for kids. We give sound stimulation with natural stimulation and we come to know his hearing level. This is for children only. Free field audiometry, it is a test when we give hearing aid. आप hearing aid पहन के आपको कितना सुनाई देता है वो आपको समझ में आएगा इस free field audiometry test में. Hearing aid fitting, as I have told you, whenever and whatsoever audiologist ENT prescribe hearing aid, you have to go for hearing aid fitting. Then voice therapy, if any problem you find in your voice, किसी भी medical condition की वजह से, तो this is also available. Articulation therapy I have discussed. Speech therapy for stroke patients, swallowing therapy, language therapy and stammering therapy. These services are available in Bhatia Hospital. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, one of my friends, she says while speaking on the phone, initially she can hear very clearly. After some time she says she just can't hear. So does she have to, what should she go in for? Suddenly she can't hear. After some time she says I can't hear it.
First, she has to go for audiogram, pure tone audiometry, like I have told you, for this test.
Oh.
Okay. And accordingly we'll prescribe.
But first she says it's very clear. After about 10 minutes she says I can't hear.
So that's what I'm telling you. First, she has to go for pure tone audiometry. उनका hearing कितना है वो देखना पड़ेगा. Whether she needs medical help or hearing aid, फिर उस report पे ही निर्भर होगा.
I use headphones for everything, like for calling, singing, listening to music. It a loud means loud sound and everything. So, can you tell me the disadvantage? Can you tell me for how much time I should use it? Can you tell me many more answers? It means what is recommended?
Basically, you are giving damage to your auditory nerve, like I have explained you. It's giving direct damage to your auditory nerve. अभी आपको in this young age you will find some misunderstanding of sound like sh, ch, j. ये सारे sound आप शायद कभी ना कभी misplace करते होंगे because these are very airtight sound.
I never thought about it. Means मुझे लगा सब सुनाई देता है, but I don't know. But is it visible to use headphones while calling or something, or is it useful to take a phone?
I will advise you if you talk on speaker, keep your phone on speaker and then talk. Don't keep.
No, but if we are traveling, then what?
Then that time you can, but
my question is, should I use a cell phone or should I use a headphones while talking?
Cell phone.
Cell phone.
And that too, for my patient, I prescribe them to use with speaker. अब phone यहाँ रख के बात करो, ऐसे रख के बात मत करो, बिकॉज डायरेक्ट वो वॉइस आपके कान में जाता है और डायरेक्टली वो डैमेज करता है. थोड़ा दूर रहेगा तो ऑडिटरी नर्व पे इतना इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. एंड नाउ डेज ईयर प्लग, ईयर मफ्स आर अवेलेबल. सो व्हेन यू गोइंग फॉर ट्रैफिक सिग्नल जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा नॉइज है, आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. कम इन वेरी चीप प्राइस.
ओके. तो पूछ रही हूँ
1 hour, 2 hour, it's fine. बट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं चलेगा बिकॉज कंटिन्यूसली डैमेज कर रहे हैं, उस पर ही स्टिमुलेशन जाता है.
वन मोर. माई मॉम उसका वैक्स हो जाता है कान में, सो तेल डालती है. सो इज इट फाइन और नो? बिकॉज दैट वैक्स कम आउट.
आप जितना भी तेल डाल रहे हो ना, तो इट्स वो ऑलरेडी स्टिकी मटेरियल रहता है. तेल से वो और अंदर जा रहा है.
नो बिकॉज जब भी कापस से निकालते दैट ईयरबड से तो निकलता भी है.
निकलता है बट वो थोड़ा इधर का ही निकलता है जो
Okay.
आउटसाइड में रहता है.
Okay.
Usually आप
So it's not
push
visible.
कर रहे हो.
And for children, is it advisable to put oil on?
No, it's not
That's
advisable
the
at
old,
all.
I mean.
that's a old this thing.
They
fresh
don't
bad
put
wax.
it and become loosened.
मैम
जो wax
feedback
process
होता
होता है, it's a natural phenomenon. वो खुद ब खुद कान का क्लीनिंग होता है. अगर ज़्यादा हो गया है तो there are ear drops available.
Yeah.
आपको क्या email
Oil
address
should not
डाल दीजिए.